Ogamorinho and Ogasari, una welcome.
Thank you.
Kubala, how you dey?
I dey fine, sir.
Morinho, where you there for table now? I don't define you since I not see. You don't miss Lord?
Go find your grandpapa for table. You go see am there. And now your papa na him miss road.
I be no one follow me go Champions League next season.
Sorry, abeg leave me. I dey concentrate for Europa League. E no easy to dey play 2 competitions for this kind late season time.
Okay, now so as now come out for Europa League. Come talk say them even thank God say them come out. Unto say them go now concentrate on top Premier League. Now that time them can go draw Liverpool, West Ham and the Southampton. Take give space for City to chance them. Anything way they do, better they that Europa because no hope for you for Serie A.
Now you dey tell me? I know now. Wait you just talk now?
I don't tell you before, say Ledio no they talk 2 times.
Na your career na him no get hope for Serie A.
Abeg Kubala, start your show.
Okay, sir. We don't dey hear rumor again say Mbappe won't come out PSG. Ogasari, how you think say he go be for PSG if him come out?
PSG board members go carry up tie for their neck, go hang for somewhere.
Why, sir?
Wetin go remain for them again? Who knows sabi say Mbappe don pursue Neymar? Neymar wan comot PSG for am. Messi sef don tire for am. Him dey plan go Saudi Arabia go follow Ololo drink oil money. And the PSG don give am all their last money wey dey France. Element to say Qatar can't give am the money join. Now, if him comot, wetin go remain for PSG na Paco casing. Gongoni wey no fit go anywhere because all the engine don comot.
Oh my God.
That one can't carry me to the rumor where we dey hear now. Say Messi won't go Al Hilal, the rival club of Ronaldo's Al Nassr for Saudi Arabia. Ogamorinho, with the kind money where we dey hear say they won't give am, wetin you think say go be the effect for football world?
Anything wey dem like make dem pay am. The thing na say e go carry people attention go Saudi Arabia where dem go dey watch oil comot for ground as dem tackle player for pitch. For me personally, I no go dey watch them because wetin Ronaldo and Messi go dey do theirself for there na to pour each other oil. Even players dey bleed oil for there.
But you go dey bet on top their match na.
Yes na, e concern you.
Now just say make you know they call me where they watch their match to ask for prediction or.
The one wey you don tell me how many work sef. You go just dey parade yourself like say you sabi predict game.
I don't talk my own.
Ogasari, how you take see the Champions League semi-finals match between City and Madrid on Tuesday?
I noticed 2 things for that match. First of all, I been think say them don ban players from wearing jersey wey get pockets come play match. I no sabi how Ludica take smuggle him jersey with very big pockets come play that match.
What do you mean by very big pockets, sir?
You no see am for that match? Pocket wey swallow Haaland na small pockets. And because De Bruyne sabi locate person with him pass. If him try locate Haaland, na Ludiga go collect the ball before he enter him pocket go meet Haaland for there. Na him make De Bruyne vex, use his hand take dial the post since Haaland number not a go. And the secondly, I don't see say that old Yaya Toure course don dey show face for City again.
Ogamorinho, what of you? What do you think about the match?
Wetin I see for that match na 2 coaches wey dey approach football 2 different ways. One dey use algebraic differential calculus take send him players enter pitch. The other one dey just send him players to go score goal. The 2 dey win game but the problem na say if Guardiola coach you your whole career, grace go catch you towards the end of your career. You go spend all the money wey you make from professional football for inside psychiatric ward.